Okay guys, so Nissan Dualis service light reset. Turn the ignition on. You can see the service is due now. Just press it once, press it twice. Get to this menu, you turn the right dial and turn it clockwise. You can go down to maintenance and you just press it in to select it. Just go reset, reset. You can see it's changed now to 0 out of 10,000 Ks. Now we just go back and exit, then we turn the ignition off, turn it back on. So you can see now that the tyre maintenance is due. So you can go down to tyre, you can reset this back to 0. Now we can get back out of that, and that's all reset. So we'll just exit out again, make sure there's nothing else. Ignition cycle, perfect. Thanks guys.